How to fix unknown error 150 on YouTube app. Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you fix unknown error on YouTube app. Now, encountering error 150 is a common issue when you're trying to play embedded videos in Google Slides or YouTube. Now, this error often happens due to a restriction like age verification, regional limits, copyright issues, or the video isn't allowed to be embedded on other platforms. So likewise, in that case, what you could do is actually go ahead and make sure to follow the rules as well. Now, apart from it, what else you could also do is you could also check the internet connection or refresh the page. Sometimes it could be due to poor connectivity, so you could always go ahead and open up your settings or just swipe up and see whether you're connected to a stable internet or not. And here you could actually go ahead and restart your connection, or you could actually go ahead and disconnect it, and then you could connect to some of the better secure connections. That should be able to help you out. If not, you could also try clearing your browser cache and cookies if you're using a web version, or else if you're using an application, then you could go ahead and clear cache as well as data. So for that, you want to long press the application, go to this I button, and you want to go to storage and cache, click on clear cache. Make sure to click on clear storage. However, it's going to delete the data. Just leave it as it is, or just click the OK button. After which, you should be able to see whether you are able to fix it or not. If that's not the case, then you could also try disabling VPN, or you could ensure using a VPN. It might be helpful. So you could just go ahead and follow the instructions accordingly, or look for some other videos. So these are some of the common ways in order to fix unknown error 150 on the YouTube app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.